Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can use the duplicate option in Inshot App. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the Inshot. So I'm going to open it, and after that we have to click on the video option. So let's click on the video, and now we have to choose the new option. So we have to click on this, and after that we have to play the video. For example, I'm going to use this one. So let's click on this, and after that, as you can see, I'm going to use this video. And for example, I'm going to click on the video, and after clicking on the video, as you can see, you are going to see the duplicate option here. So we have to use that, and let's see how does it work. So we have to click on the duplicate. When you click on the duplicate of that video will be made. So as you can see, now the duplicate is generated. Now for example, let's see how we can use it in the text. So let's click on the text, and for example, I'm going to write the text here. So let's write the random, and now let's write on this. As you can see, the text is here. Now if you want to make the duplicate of this text also, then simply you have to hit the duplicate option. As you can see, here's the duplicate again, so we have to click on the duplicate. So as you can see, the duplicate of the text is also generated. So in this way you can generate a duplicate of any kind of thing. You can duplicate a video, duplicate a text, music, and animation, whatever you want. So in this way you can use a duplicate option in Inshot app. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.